Good morning, students. So today we are going to continue the chapter page formatting in Word. In previous class, we have learned few of the tools for formatting the document in MS Word application. And today we'll learn some more tools through which we can do the formatting in MS Word. So the topic which we are going to discuss today is that first one is the header and footer, and second one that is page number. So let's start the class with header and footer. So header are the content in MS Word page written in the top margin, whereas footer are the content written in the bottom margin. Now you can see the figure. The content which you write in the margin, that means the space between the text and the edge of the page, in that space at the top, that is called header. And the space between the bottom of the page, between the text and the edge of the page, that is called footer. So the top is known as header and bottom is known as footer. And the content which you write inside the space between the text and the edge of the page, that is called header and footer. If it is in top, then that will be called as header. If it is in the bottom, then that will be called as footer. So let's see the steps through which we can use the header and footer in our document. So first step, click on the insert tab. So for inserting a header and footer, you need to click on the insert tab. Second step, now if you want to insert a header, then after clicking on insert tab, on in the ribbon of insert tab, click on the header option. If you want to insert a footer, then you need to click on the footer option. Both the options will be available in the ribbon of insert tab. Now when you will click on the header or footer option, one drop down menu will appear. In that menu, you will get various designs given for the header and footer. You can select whatever design you prefer, and that header or footer will be inserted in your page. So let's see how it works. So we have opened MS Word application, and then you need to click on the insert tab. In insert tab, here you can see header and footer options are available. Now suppose if you want to insert a header, then you will click on the header option. Now you can see a drop down menu has appeared. Now these are the several different other designs provided by the Microsoft for you to insert header and footer. So whatever design you prefer, you can insert that design. So I'm going to use this one. Now you can see this is the margin here right now. And this header has been inserted between the edge of the page and the page margin. Sorry, edge of the page and the text. And the space between the edge and the text is known as margin. And this header has been inserted inside that margin only. So let's give a heading to this page. For example, let it be computer. So now your header has been inserted in your document. You can see that. In the same way, you can insert the footer also. So let's see how the footers are inserted. Same step will be repeated. Click on the insert tab, then click on the footer option. One drop down menu will appear. Now in that menu, you need to select the type of or design of the footer which you want to apply. So let's use this one as the footer. So click on that design and that design will be inserted. Now you can type whatever content you want inside the footer. For example, let it be end of the page. So like this, you can insert header and footer inside your page. Let me show you both of them together. So as you can see, the header is at the top and footer is at the bottom. So you can insert both of them one by one, and the steps will be: first click on the insert tab, then either if you want to insert header, then click on header. If you want to insert footer, then click on footer. Drop down menu will appear. In that drop down menu, you need to select the design which you want to insert in your page. Design of the header and footer which you want to insert in your page. So this was the method or steps for inserting header and footer. So let's see the page number option. Our next topic, that is the page number. So let's open that. Now, MS Word provides a tool to insert the page number in all the pages used in the document. Now, suppose in your books you may have seen that the page numbers are given, page number 1, 2, 3, like that. So, in the same way, you can also provide page numbers to the pages which you have inserted in a document. And in a document, there can be multiple pages, and you can give page number to those pages. So, the step for inserting the page number in the MS Word page are: click on the insert tab. Second step, then click on the page number option. Now insert tab, you will on the ribbon of the insert tab, you will get the page number option. Just click on that. After clicking on the insert tab, one drop down menu will appear. In that drop down menu, you will get different styles for the page number. So whatever style you prefer, click on that style in the drop down menu, and that page number design will be inserted. And as you insert more pages, the page number will be automatically applied on the new pages. So let's see how it works. Let's see the step once. So first you need to click on the insert tab. First step is to click on the insert tab. Second step is to click on the page number option in the ribbon of the insert tab. Third step is to select where you want to display the page number, either at the top, bottom of the page margin, or current position. Wherever current position means wherever your typing cursor will be there, at that place the page number will be inserted. So you can select different locations for the page number to be displayed. After selecting the location, it will give you the different styles of the page number. So you can select whatever style you prefer, and that design of the page number will be inserted. So let's see this step once. For that, let's take a new file and let's make it a little bit bigger so that we can see the page number. So now first step is to click on the insert tab. And after clicking on the insert tab, just below the header and footer option, you can see the page number option is also provided. So click on the page number. Now here are the different positions where you want to apply the page number. For example, if you want the page number at the top of the page, then select the top of page option. If you want to display the page number at the bottom of the page, then you can select the bottom of page option. If you want to display the page number in the left or right margin of the page, left or right margin, then you can select that position by clicking on the page margins. And if you want to display at the position where your typing cursor is, then you will select the current position. And wherever you, by selecting the current position, wherever the typing cursor will be in your Word page, at that place the page number will be inserted. So we will use the bottom of page option here. So click on that bottom of page, and these designs have been provided to you, whatever page design you want. Sorry, page number design, whatever you want, you can select that one. So we are going to select this accent bar 2. So just click on that, and you can see the page number has been applied at the bottom of the page here. Let me zoom it. Now you can see the page number. Now as you will insert the new pages, the page number will be automatically inserted in the new pages. So let's see that first. For that I need to insert one new page. So let's insert a new page. The new page appeared, and you can see that on the new page also the page number has been applied. So let me zoom it and show you. So you can see that this is the page number 2, and before this is here the page number 1. So you can see that as you will insert the new page, the page number will be automatically applied once you have used the page number option. Even that thing will be same for the header and footer also. Once you have applied a header footer on a page, then whenever you will insert a new page in that document, header and footer will be automatically applied on the new page also. So for this class, only this much. So keep studying, stay healthy, stay at home. Bye, students.